coming in. What was the game plan? Was the game plan to get the ball into your hands as much as possible?
Yeah, the game plan was to run the ball as much as possible. I'm not the best thrower, so that's mainly our game plan for each game, to run the ball as much as we can. We got a pretty decent O-line. They're getting nasty, so that's our goal.
Starting the year off 1-0, and now that's exactly what you guys wanted to do. Now going forward, what's going to be the game plan? Same thing, keep the game on the ground.
Yeah, I think we just need to go into next week with this same momentum. Just keep getting better.
And talk me through that one player. I mean, I think you broke every single tackle on the field, man. I mean, you went side to side. Talk me through what was going through your head as that play was called.
I just saw a hole, and I tried to hit it as hard as possible, and I just saw everyone coming for me, so I just started throwing moves left and right, trying to get free, and ended up working out. My team blocked for me, but unfortunately it was called back. But can't do nothing about it.